progress so far. So I've got floor. These needs doing. This is job for today. Wall so far. So we changed the design a bit. What we did is put these felt pads, mostly grey ones, on the wall, and then our addition, a new sink that we installed. So that has got like black edging with Taylor Wimpey cupboard, original cupboard, just fitted, and then we adjusted the top, which matches our house style. This one is IKEA cupboard. We had it on another wall before, so we've installed it on that wall instead. This is a tumble dryer on the top level and washing machine on the bottom level. So we've got tower kind of washing arrangement here. Originally there was only space for the washing machine, so we've achieved what we wanted to achieve.